Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw a character skin for the new game Splitgate. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to draw our Splitgate armor, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that comes across like this. Next I'm going to draw two lines that come down. And a line that comes down on each side. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down right in between there. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and up on each side. Now we just want to bring this across to connect it. I'm going to draw a line that comes up on the top. Then we're going to draw a line that goes down, over, and up. Then it's going to come across here. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. And then a line that comes down. Draw a line that goes down and over, down and over. Then we're going to make a line that comes up and down with a line that connects in here. Starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that come down. Draw two lines in. And I'm going to add kind of like a skinny rectangle shape in here. I'm going to draw two lines that come out. A line that comes down on each side. And we're going to make a little curved line to connect it. I'll make two more lines that come out. We'll connect this. And I'll draw one line that goes down, over, and up. Make a line that goes down, over, and up. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down. It's going to go over and in. And another one here. It's going to go down, over, and in. Make a line that comes down on each side. And another line down here. Draw a line that goes up, over, and down, and connects. Up, over, down, and connects. Line that comes down, over, and up. And a line that comes down, over, and up. Make a line that goes over and down, up by the neck, over and down. Make a line that goes down, over, and up. And another one here. We're going to go down, over, and up. We're going to go up, down, across, and up. We're going to go out, down, across, and up. Draw a line that curves around. And another one that comes down with like a hook. Line that goes out and in. Draw a line in with a curved line. In with a curved line. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. Make a line that comes down, and a line that comes down. Make a line that goes down, over, and up, and we'll do the same thing down here just to add some detail onto the armor. Make a line that goes down and over, down and over. And we're just going to kind of outline this area right here. So we're just going to kind of outline both those sides. Right up here, let's draw a line that goes up to a point and it's going to curve down. We'll go up to a point and then we're going to curve down. Make a line that goes up and then comes to here. We're going to curve up and then in. Make a line that goes up and in, up and then in right there. Make a line that goes out and down for some detail on here, with a little line across. We'll add a line on each side. Then I'm going to add a line that comes down and then in. We'll go down and then in. Right up here, we'll make a little rectangle shape, and we'll make a couple lines coming down. Line that comes down here and a line that comes down here. Make a line that comes across the bottom of the feet, and we'll make a line that goes down and over, down and over. Make a line up here and a line here. Line that comes down, line that goes up, and a little curved line in each of these. And there you go. There is your drawing of a character skin from the new game Splitgate. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.